Hello everybody, today I'm gonna make the part 2 of my top-down scroller. Now, I figured out what was the issue because now we have to make a new sprite that as it's probably the same thing as this. But yeah, we have to change some stuff and we'll probably add the collectibles today. Now yeah, first we're gonna have to delete the two variables, scroll X and scroll Y. And now delete the ones for this. See, and then delete this. And the for loop. And add 4 receivers. Okay? Now we have to make 4 broadcasts. Not hurt, because that will damage our player. New message, and I'm gonna call this one up. Okay. I'm gonna cut this one down. I'm gonna call this right. I'm gonna do this one left. Alright, separate them, put them in their rightful areas, which is probably basically here. Now for the 2 receivers, put down, left, right, and up for all of them. Now we have to change. 1 second thought, I'm gonna move 10 steps. We're gonna set the rotation style to don't rotate. So what does don't rotate do? So it does change the direction, but just doesn't look like it's rotating. So 10 steps to the left, minus 10 steps. Okay, never mind. We're just gonna use Y. The X and Y values. Change Y. I'm gonna put this here and this here. Let's change these values to 5. Dude. Oh wait, this has. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to make them the opposite. So down spine. So change X by 5, not -5, because that makes it. Yeah. Now let's test it out. See if the issue works. Now the thing, it works just a little rougher. But yeah, for all we know, it works. What we can, but what we can also do is put them all in a forever loop. Put all this. But yeah, I think it's fine if we do this. Now we are going to make a new sprite called Wolves. Maybe we can just copy this, danger 2, call it Wolves. Now, instead of lava and dangerous stuff, we're going to change it to rocky or wood wolves. For me, I'm not going to have any outlines because sometimes it bugs me a lot. Maybe I can add them in different spots other than the place with lava. Now let's test it out. Now we know it's at different spots. We got walls, and the health bar doesn't do any effect. It does kind of look off. We can add more walls if we want. I'll probably be able to share this and at the link to my YouTube video, but yeah. Oh, change the costume name to walls. Now let's try. Now we have to edit some code. We have to edit a buff in here. So it's probably one. Delete all this. Take all these out. Delete the receivers. We gotta change some stuff, which is kind of unfortunate. For if statements, I'm gonna put the X in 5. Delete it. Delete the inside. I'm gonna switch these to Y values. Oh my god. Now we need to add the keys. This has to be left. Duplicate this. Oops. Duplicate this. Put this right. Down. And up. Let's try it out. It does work, but now we actually can. Oh wait. Oh yeah. We have to add the same thing to here. And yeah, I forgot to delete. So we don't want the lava in here anymore, because yeah, it's just rolls. Now we can either pull this in here, or we can put it in our backpack. I like putting it back, but I'm just guessing that it. Now let's try it out. Boom, and it does work. Boom, we have super success. And we should add border, and if you want you can add borders, but yeah, I'm good. But now we have to make it detect wall collisions. Now we have to I'm just gonna clear up my blocks, move this one out right here, delete the receivers because they're useless, which is odd, obviously. The for if statement, wait no, get an if touching and get touching walls. Oh, touching spike one. Sorry. Oops. And put them inside each if statement. Take this to here. Change y over. Now let's try it out. Let's see. Oh, yep, this works, but the lava's still moving, which is kind of weird. Now we have to do something. We have to make a oh wait, no, never mind. Okay. Copy this. Delete the sprite. Paste it in here. Should go. Now instead of if touching danger, we're gonna do if touching color. Now I'm just gonna change all this to red because I want to makes it more easier to decide. And there. Now we just gotta make an edit. change this to the red color. There. Test it out. We go into walls. Perfect. We touch the red. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. Okay. We need to add a hitbox that follows this. Okay, so sprite 1 won't really do anything, but we're gonna duplicate the sprite. Add a big black box around it. And we have no code in here. It should, but we do, and we have to set ghost effect. I know you think you can probably just think if you can hide, but if we do hide it, then the effect doesn't work. So we have to do ghost effect. Let's try it out. When we move away from it, yay. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Don't forget to set the positioning to 0. Oh yeah, it's touching that. Sprite 2. We have to move sprite 2. We gotta change it up a bit. 0, 0, let's say Y20. There, now no effect. Oh, this, what the? We have to change that and delete the scroll X and scroll Y variables and do broadcast. Broadcast new message. Broadcast restart. Wait, put it here. Now let's test it. Wait, hold on. When I receive restart. So it's still touching. Even though, okay, we gotta set this to 20. Okay, I think that's a bit too high. Yeah, 10 should be good. Make sure it's not touching the hitbox, then the hitbox will assume it's touching a lot. Oh wait, what? Why it always go down to 0? Oh yeah, it's always going to sprite 1. Delete that. There. That fixed the problem. And we die. Well, now we got it doesn't look very good, so we send this to back. Delete this part right away. And go to back layer. Let's try this. Oh, what? Okay, that's better. It's in the back layer. It looks more better. And yeah. See the walls. Oh my god. Don't touch the lava. Now we have walls and lava. But if you want, we can add probably a void. I don't know. Maybe you can if you want. We can add borders. Now grab the rectangle tool. Set the color the same as this. Make sure they stretch as far as they need. And just stretch this. Copy paste. Make it go down, go down, 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 go. You're not going down. Boom, there. Let's try. Let's see. We got borders. And yeah, we have lava that we should avoid always. And if you want, you can make a maze, which is totally confuse your player of where you're going. Oh, I forgot to rename this hit box. Oh, no spaces. Player. And yeah, we just have to rename stuff. So yeah, in the next video we will make coins and stuff, and I have to save this. But right now we added wall collisions. Oh wait, what the? Oh, oh wait, added wall collisions, and somehow it is not working. So yeah, we added a hitbox, fun hitbox, and we also did add a border. And also we added a die, but maybe the next time. But next time we're probably gonna make a title screen, which is very basic, and the death screen, which is kind of hard for me. But yeah, that's it for this video. So I'll see you next time.